Let us see common plans formed by managers, general plans drawn by every managers, right? The first plan will be setting objective. So obviously we need to identify our objective, why we are doing this task, right? Then only there will be a meaning for the plan, right? So we know it, objectives are goals and aims, right? Future position that the management would like to reach, which means our goal or aim, where we want to be, right? That is the objective. It may be increase in sales or profit, reach a larger audience, or create a brand. So these objectives are set by the top level managements. Obviously, yes, they are the one responsible for the organizational objective for whole organization, right? So guide for overall planning, right? It is the main objective. So how we can achieve that, it gives a guidance, right? Next, strategy, second one, how to reach goal. Strategy means how we can reach the goal. Methods, right? An alternative, right? We can choose it. It's a comprehensive plan. Thus, we can say that it is a comprehensive plan for accomplishing the goal, right? Includes three dimensions. Which are those three dimensions? First one, determine long-term objective, which means for a long period, which means for 10, 15, or for entire life of the organization, we need to set a objective. Second one, adopting a particular course of action, which means we need to take a way or method to accomplish the organizational goals. So third one, allocating resources. Allocate the required resources for the plan. Right. This completes your second one. Let us see third one. So let us see the third one. So third one is policy. Policy, which means a course or principle of action adopted or proposed by an organization or individual. So the policies may be producing a quality product or selling it in a reasonable price, maybe, right? Anything may be policy of an organization. Let us see some example. Equal opportunity. So giving equal opportunity to each and every individual in the organization may be policy for the organization, right? Workplace healthy, sorry, workplace health and safety, looking into workplace and safety of the employees. Employee disciplinary action, that means employees must be in a disciplined behavior in the organization, right? Ethics policy. So these are the some examples of policies. Fourth one, procedure. So procedure means routine steps on how to carry out activities. Procedure means after this I want to do this, after this work I want to do this. For example, let us take a cold drink company, right? First thing what they will do, they should prepare a bottle and its packing and design of the bottle. Then they should fill the cold drink and they should create a branding in the bottle, right? So these are the procedure, right? So next one, method. Method means in which way we are going to work to achieve the organizational objective. So prescribed way or manner in which a task has to be performed considering the objective. So we need to consider the objective and in which method, and if which method is going to be effective to achieve the objectives, that is method, right? Rules are nothing but you may have followed some rules in your schools also. So you should wear the uniform, tie, shoes. So these are some rules. Likewise, The organization will also have some rules for the organization to maintain. So first point, specific statement that inform what is to be done. So rule is a specific statement that informs what to do. So right, that is rule. So it reflects a managerial decision that a certain action must or must not to be taken. So the rules are specifying that which decisions are correct, which decisions are wrong. If we want to go with the decisions or we should not. So it is obviously restricting the managers, right? Then it may be called as code of conduct of an organization, and it is compulsory in routine. Then we have two more. Let us see seventh and eighth one. Let us see the seventh. Seventh is program. So programs are detailed statement about a project which outlines objectives, policies, procedures, rules, tasks, human and physical resources required, and the budget to implement any course of action. So a program is a statement. It contains everything about the plan, right? It contains budget, it contains what to do next, and it contains tasks, and it contains what to follow, that is rules, and it contains procedures. Each and everything it has as a document, right? So next one, budget. Budget is nothing but in your parents also will budget, right? So this much of income we have, and this much of expense we need to make. And you may see the national budget also. So this much of revenue we have earned or gained this year, and these are the expenses we are going to do in the in the country. So this is simple budget, right? A budget is a statement expected result expressed in numerical terms, right? So whatever the expected results will be there, that might be shown in a numerical result, that is budget. So easily compare actual figure with estimated. So if we budget, let's say if we budget 1000 rupees for any expense, if actually happens 900, so actually the expense is 900, we can compare these both, right? So that is budget. We are creating an estimation and we can compare with the actuals. So this completes the chapter, right? In the next video we are going to start the next chapter, and if you want to watch previous videos, the link is in description. If you want to ask any doubts, you can ask through Instagram, the link is in description. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care.